Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a curd based potato curry. For this we need a cup of curd. Beat this well. Instead of curd, you can also use yogurt. This is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add a bay leaf, a small stick of cinnamon, 1 or 2 cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next let us add a quarter cup of chopped onions and 1 or 2 green chillies. Saute this for about 2 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute everything well until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Next let us add few curry leaves. We'll start adding the masalas now. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute everything well until the raw smell of the masalas goes off. So saute this for about a minute or two and then add the beaten curd. Keep it in low flame and then add the curd and start mixing this. Stir this continuously until everything gets mixed well. Even while mixing, you have to keep the flame low. These are boiled potatoes. You can add up to 3. Boil the potatoes, remove the skin, cut it and add it. Now close this and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. The masala is almost ready. Now let us add a teaspoon of Kasuri methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves. Give a nice mix. To this add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. Mix everything for about a minute and switch off the flame. As a finishing touch, top this with few coriander leaves. So the potato curry is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.